Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Five Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Freddy Fudgebar chocolate fudge brownies. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to roughly chop up 2 chocolate, caramel, and nougat snack bars. In a double boiler method thing with a bowl and the water underneath it, without the water touching the bowl, you want to melt 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, the snack bars, and 6 1/4 ounces or 180 grams of bittersweet dark chocolate. And luckily, this time it didn't seize, but if it does, just add a teaspoon of boiling water to it. It will thin it out a little bit though, but while you let your chocolate cool, I'd recommend putting it in the fridge. You're going to want to mix 3 large eggs with 1 3/4 cups of sugar until light and fluffy. And because the chocolate was still cooling, I just chopped up the 100 grams of toasted hazelnuts, or 3/4 of a cup of hazelnuts. Once your chocolate's cooled, you want to fold in the chocolate with a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you just mix that all together. It says fold in, but it's not really a way to fold it in when it's 2 liquids, so just mix it together. And then you want to sift in just a little bit under a cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a heaping 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, and then you mix in half of the hazelnuts you chopped up. you pour it in a lined baking sheet. It says 11 by 8 inch or 28 by 20 centimeters, but I just used 22 by 22 centimeters, so it worked out. And you put it in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. These are pretty good. They're brownies. You can't really go wrong with brownies. Not the best brownies I've ever had, but that could also have been my own fault. I would give it like 8 out of 10.